Hello, today I will show you how to make a custom pattern in Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's start. Click on the new file. Set width and height to 200 pixels and resolution 300. Click on Create button. Zoom it by pressing Ctrl+. Now select the ellipse tool to make a shape like this. Select both layers and align them into the center. Select the Custom Shape tool. Then select Arrow Shape to make an arrow like this. Change the arrow color to black. Select all layers and align into center. Select both shape layer and right-click on Layers. Select Convert to Smart Object. Scale it by pressing Ctrl+T. Delete the background layer. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Go to the filter, Others, and select Offset. Follow the settings. Hit OK. Go to the Edit and select Define Pattern. Name your pattern, then hit OK. Go to File. Select New. Set width 1920 and height 1080 and resolution 72 and hit the Create button. Now drag your background layer to the new layer icon. Now double-click on the duplicate layer. Select Pattern Overlay and follow the settings. Then hit OK. That's it. Hope you like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorial.